So here's a picture of a typical plant cell. Let's look at what's inside it. Think of a cell as a bag full of liquid. The bag that contains the liquid is called the cell membrane. And the cell membrane controls what enters and leaves the cell. Inside the cell membrane, the liquid is called the cytoplasm. And the cell's chemical reactions take place inside this cytoplasm. These chemical reactions need to happen in a very precise way to make the correct chemicals for the cell. The nucleus contains the instructions or the recipes for all of the chemical reactions that the cell needs to carry out. And these recipes, these instructions, are actually written on DNA, so the nucleus contains DNA. You also find ribosomes floating around inside the cytoplasm, and ribosomes have got the job of building proteins for the cell. So this is one of the important chemical reactions that happens in the cytoplasm. Another chemical reaction happens because of mitochondria. So mitochondria are also floating around inside the cytoplasm, and they carry out a process called respiration that releases energy for the cell. Inside the cytoplasm, you will also find the vacuole, and the vacuole contains cell sap. Some plant cells also have chloroplasts floating in the cytoplasm. Chloroplasts have the job of absorbing light energy and using it to make a sugar called glucose through a process called photosynthesis. Animals, like humans, have got a skeleton, and this skeleton gives us structure and support. But because plants don't have a skeleton for structure and support, they have to do something different. So what they do is they place each of their cells in a special box called a cell wall, and the cell wall gives the plant cell structure and support. You might like to check out my other videos which cover some of these ideas in more detail. Well done for reaching the end of the video. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope to see you here again soon.